Hi everyone. In this video, we'll try to learn what is alias in query results, right? Alias is nothing but the name that you can give to your existing column or the name that you can give to your table, right? So what is the purpose of giving aliases? With the help of aliases, we can give more meaningful name to the column. I have a column called ename. So if I want to give a meaningful name in the output, I can say employee name, or I have a column called sal. Now I can give a meaningful name to that particular column, which is called salary, and com I can give commission, right? Now the second reason to use the alias is we can also refer this alias name for the column when we are working with joins. When we will be learning joins in the SQL query, which is one of the most important topic in SQL, and that is join, right? So whenever you're working with joins, giving the alias to the column name or giving the alias to the table name is really important when we are working with joins. So whenever we learn join, we'll be using aliases on that topic. If there is a space in the alias name, we need to give alias name inside the double quote, right? That means, for example, here I want to give employee name to ename column. Now employee space name, there is a space, then we are giving this as a double quote, right? Now if you want to give alias name with the as keyword, you can give that keyword and then you can use the alias like this. I'll simply copy the code and run the code so that you can understand how the output will look like. So I have given ename, employee name, sal as salary, and com as commission. Now I have not used a keyword called as, right? I can run and this will work perfectly fine. See, you can see that in the output I have employee name and then I have salary and I have commission, right? Now the second query that I have here, I have used a keyword called as. Let me copy the code and simply paste it over here in your SQL developer. See, ename as employee name, sell as salary, com as commission from EMP, right? So if you run this code, you will be getting the same output. One more point I want to just give you over here is that it's not only that we can give an alias name to a column, we can also give a alias name to a table as well. Now you can also consider alias name as a short name. That will be really helpful in your joins. So I can give EMP as E. So I can simply put a keyword called E. Now this will become the alias for the EMP table, and I can use this E or the alias E wherever it is possible or wherever it is needed, right? If I run this query, it will give you the same result, but this time we have given an alias to a table. So the bottom line is you can give an alias to a column as well, and you can give an alias name to a table as well. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much for watching.